Hi folks, just taking another little movie as we hoon along. I got this on 60, which is a bit bloody annoying. So anyhow, we're sort of in 20 knots, I think, 25 maybe. We got a hard old working jib up there, sort of hanging in for dodgy halyards with the brake on the top. And our poor old Genoa, hard working thing. It's reefed, trying to take the pressure off it. And the mains on a second reef. We actually had it on a third reef all night, most of the night. We've only just been brave enough to undo it another reef. Sort of gets a bit carried away at times. So it looks calm as you can be down there, doesn't it? Oops, there you go. There's the horizon. Yes, oh well. The final surge, we're doing sort of 6.5 to 7 knots. And sort of that part of the deal. See these waves? They sort of just, oh my, just keeps nice and dry. The deck's dry all the time. You get these waves and they just, you never get a drop on top of it. Well, sometimes you get a drop, but that's about it. So I always think it's pretty impressive. I guess I'm trying to turn that quick view off, but I just can't seem to do it. So I'm just going to try and walk back. It's a bit sort of dumb when you're hooning along. There you go. My apologies for all those watching. I have got my safety harness on, Mum. And there's Mariah. Sort of hooning along. Got my finger over the mic, trying to stop that wind noise. Hopefully that's working. I don't know if that gives you a picture of what waves are like, but this all started about midnight last night. It was pleasant. We had like 15 knots, perfect wind, and then it just got stronger. And it's sort of been like this all day. Anyhow, we only got up about 100 miles to our first waypoint, at 125 or something to the Marquises, Isle of Madeline, Bay of Virgins. It's a Fakuhiva is the new word for it. I think it used to be called Isle of Madeline. That sounds a lot better to me. What do you think? Is it a good idea, this sailing? We sort of like it at 15 knots. It's sort of alright, but it's hard to get to sleep when you're rolling around your bunk. There you go. And we think that the Iron Mistress is going to win this sweepstake. Guess how many days it's going to take to get here. Which is very annoying because everyone else is going to give a bowl of beer or a bowl of wine or a bowl of something. And he's such a tight-fisted geezer. He's a doctor. And of course his contribution was a bit of fish that he caught, like a piece of fish. So I said on the radio this morning, well, in that token of generosity, we're going to, if he wins it, we're going to donate a cabbage. So we'll see how that works out. I don't know if he was offended on the radio. There you go. Anyhow, folks, I better just stop this, I suppose. I just want to capture this for my own, so I can watch this from the rocking chair on the veranda one day, if I don't, in a week's time. And just I think rocking chair is a pretty good idea. And me tea garden, of course. I just got to get this bow wave, I really like it. Once you've seen a bow wave, you've seen them all. Sorry about that. Okay. Cheerio, chaps.